Alright, so here's another trade-in that I got. Sold a Craftsman self-propel, got this on trade. Not in bad shape for what it is. It's rather worn, but it's a Tecumseh powered Toro, 6.5 horse. The engine cover is pretty much trashed on it, but might be able to put some bolts in the front there and salvage it. Blades bent to pieces on it, and the air filter is caked with everything. So this is going to be a full-on whatever to work on. Deck's not in bad shape though. The self-propel seems to work. The cable's a little frayed, but it is still operable. So as you can see, pull it back, forward, pull the self-propel, transmission locks, which tells me that it should be a good transmission and a good cable, or a cable good enough to use. Just gotta spruce it up, put a blade on it, air filter. Should be alright. Let's check the oil, gas. Oh, it's slam full of gas, wow. Oil looks to be in okay shape. It ran really quickly and then cut right back off, probably because of a bad blade, partially maybe because of trash in the carburetor. So we're going to give it a look. See if I can source a blade for it, which actually might come off of this Kmart mower here. And keep on rocking and rolling. After taking the blade off here, this ain't even the right blade that goes on it. This goes to an MTD mower because of the way that the keyways and stuff are. Either way, it's trash. So let me find another 22-inch blade to put on this thing and attempt to start it at least. Alright, so check the oil in it. I put a primer bulb on it, put a new blade on it. So you can see the power bulb and the blade. We're going to see if the thing will crank. Took a few pulls. Let it run down here for a little bit. It's a lot smoother now too. The self-propel works. I might tighten up the cable just a little bit. Yeah. And the engine cover was too trash to save, so it's off of it too. But I'm gonna let it run and see what it does, and see if it'll continue running here. Alright, so I'm going to give you all a recap of what I've done to this mower. I tightened up the self-propel cable. As you can see, it's a little frayed, but it still works the way that it is supposed to. and I'll show y'all when I crank it up. New air filter, new primer bulb, changed out the blade on it. So trying to make sure that there's no gas leaking out of the carb there. Since it's still a little wet, hopefully that's not the case. Everything seems decently sealed, and I'm just gonna monitor it. But let's see if I can get this thing to start here. Like I said, just got to monitor and make sure everything's sealed up right there at the carburetor. And with these Tecumseh engines, I just let them sit overnight. Make sure they start the next day. Sometimes these carburetors can be really finicky. It's like putting a spark plug in it, which is nice. Running good, so let it be, and stop the video here. Back, decent shape overall. A little bit of a tear right there, but that's about it. As it is, this mower is probably 100 to 120 bucks. Should make somebody a good self-propel push mower. But thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.